It's been like 20 years. No, probably like 3 weeks. Hopefully not longer than that. Hello, you guys. How art thou? It has been a minute. Yes. What is going on? What is happening? What is happening? Lots of crazy things going on. Quarantine, social distancing, which are things that I have no problem adjusting to. I am an introvert at heart.
So that really hasn't been a problem for me. But what has been a problem for me, and what has stopped these movie trailer reactions for these past 2-3 weeks is everything was good. Everything was good when they were shutting stuff down, but then they shut down the movie theaters, and that hurt. That hurt.
I love going to the movies. That's the only thing I really do for fun besides eating and then maybe shopping. But I will go to the movies before I go shopping. But going to the movies, like the whole experience of just going out, getting the popcorn and the drink, just kind of escaping reality of the world for a little bit. It's like an instant cure for me. Like that's how real the love is for movies, like movie theaters. So when I found out that they were shutting it down, it kind of made me feel some kind of way. And I wasn't like super like sad or like crying or depressed about it, but it just had me down. Like, wow, I don't have that escape. That escape that I had is gone. So it just kind of had me unmotivated to react to any trailers. And on top of that, a lot of trailers have not been released because of movie theaters shutting down. Wonder Woman's already been pushed out to August, but that's okay because guess what? August is my birthday month. God's timing is right on that one. Hopefully it doesn't get pushed further, but you never know. But yeah, so I just kind of had a funk because movies weren't coming out. Nothing was coming out to watch at the movie theaters. I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't motivated. And that's been my niche. It's been the thing that's been working for me for a while. Movie trailers and then really awesome epic gameplay trailers, which have been so far just Mortal Kombat. But it is what it is. I had to kind of reflect, say, you know what? This is a reaction channel. The great thing about reaction channels is even though you have a niche, if something like this happens, you can react to other stuff. Today, I just want to watch something to make me laugh or just to make me not just be like, even if it's something stupid. I just want to watch something to laugh, I just need to get out of that. Just get out of that, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I intend to do here today. And I've been working from home, y'all. Working from home is a different beast. It just does a whole different thing to your mind when you want to go home and you're literally there. It's a whole different mind game that's hard to...
It's just hard to overcome.
When I get done with work, I use my same computer. I'm like so done with my computer and working on my computer. I just shut it down and I just watch something. I just try to watch something on Netflix to entertain me before I go to sleep. That's kind of been my life the past 2-3 weeks. So those two things together have kind of, that's what's led to the whole not like reacting or posting videos of any kind these past 2-3 weeks. But I am getting back to it, you guys. So right now, I'm not even going to react to a trailer. I'm just going to react to something different so I can laugh today. I'm going to look at this. She cooks lasagna in the dishwasher. I have seen maybe like a minute or 2 minute clip on Facebook probably a while ago. But I want to revisit this and kind of see what's going on with this extreme cheapskates. Yeah, that's what I'll watch. I'll watch that.
No. Yes, we'll do it.
Alright, so you guys, I'm gonna react to this extreme cheapskates. She cooks lasagna in the dishwasher. It's gonna be great. We're gonna rank. We have to. I have to laugh. I have to. You know what I'm saying? And yes, this video is probably a little longer than you had intended. and me that I intended for it to be. But guess what? Just what else? You ain't got nothing else to do. You don't have anything else to do. So why? I have to just go through this, deal with this together, be together with it. Okay. All right. Are we ready for this? All right. That's me, CC Clemens. That's who I am. Good lighting and angles do amazing wonders, right? All right. She cooks lasagna in the dishwasher. Let's get TLC. Nope.
I do believe that laundry detergent does run a scam on people.
Go,
I learned how to conserve my detergent by my method at work, drawing blood. The measurements are very precise. By using the amount that I put inside of the syringe, it weighs out correctly, so I'm not overdoing it. I'm gonna save this.
What?
I collect lint from the dryer, first off because it's clean. Secondly, I don't have to buy cotton swabs. So I use it to remove my nail polish, my makeup. I'm using the lint right now to apply my compact powder on my face. It shades it out very good. Just as if a cotton swab would. I'm not worried about how sanitized lint is if the clothes have been dried and ran through the washer and they've been washed, therefore the lint is clean itself.
Stephanie has countless money-saving tactics. By using just one light bulb that she moves from room to room, she saves more than $60 a month on her electric bill.
Stephanie has a good job. She works at a doctor's office. She doesn't have a lot of money saved up. She doesn't want to spend nothing. It's just ridiculous. But I do it because I love Stephanie, so.
In our house, we have what we call Navy showers.
I'm not allowed to take long showers because Stephanie wants to save water for the water bill. I go in, turn the water on, rinse my body off.
Cut the water off. Lather your body down. Make sure you get every area so you don't miss anything. You can't come back to it.
Turn it back on, rinse the soap off my body.
And get out.
I don't really get to watch my full body. Like, I'm a grown ass man. I should be able to just get in there and take a manly shower.
The manly shower.
To keep her water bill down,
Oh, no,
Stephanie
dog.
found a way to make sure Patrick
They ain't gonna make it. He's nice. He's a very sweet man. But no, he ain't gonna make it. Nah.
sticks to a 2-minute shower.
Right now, Patrick!
Stephanie has a baby monitor.
I can still hear you.
Damn.
My family feels that my cheapskate ways are out there, but I don't really care. This is my reusable boiling water. Yes, I know it may be a little chunky, but it saves me from spending more money on my water bill by cutting on the water and putting more water in the pot, dumping it, and then doing it all over again. So that saves my water.
Oh,
Lunchtime. Come on, let's eat.
When are you gonna change that water?
I'll change it in due time. Just don't rush me, because the more you ask me that, the longer I have to keep it.
I'll never ask you that again.
Is it good? It is? You gonna eat all your food?
Yeah.
Well, whatever you don't eat, I'm gonna say. I am able to make the most of every food and drink that we have in this house by reusing. If it doesn't get all drunk up, I pour it back. If it doesn't get all slopped up, I put it back in its container. I'm gonna save this pasta
She is so
sauce for
proud.
next spaghetti dinner.
She is so proud of this. No, ma'am.
We do not have to be cheap. We really don't. She has money, I have money. Like, what's the point of being so cheap? Or, I understand that it saves, but like, she's being too cheap.
With a strict
Yeah, that's
monthly
a little
food budget
excessive.
of $400,
A little much.
there's no room in Stephanie's world for extra expenses, including entertaining guests.
Patrick really wants to have a football party. I am very unhappy about people coming over to our house.
I really begged her to have people over and, to be honest with you, like, hands and knees.
Having people over to the house means Stephanie's pockets are getting dug into, and I do not like that. I'm not going to change what I do to impress your friends. You wanted this party. You know how things go in our house.
Come on.
No.
Visitors.
Dollars, cents. I'm just not with the whole people coming over thing. I feel very uncomfortable hosting a football party at our house, but I love Patrick. This football party is throwing my monthly budget way off course. It's not a touchdown for me. When I buy fruits and vegetables, I want to pay for what I eat, not for what I don't eat. There's no need to pay for the vine if all I'm eating is the grapes. That'll do me justice. Probably only need about 3 of these. My bananas, I'm not going to eat the whole of the banana. I eat the banana itself.
By removing the peels, pits, and stems from fruits and vegetables before they're weighed at the register, Stephanie saves up to $3 per shopping trip.
I have never seen anyone peel bananas and put them in a basket. That is weird.
$3. Honey, pick a different battle. Pick a different battle. There's a different battle going on in that head, and it's not this. She's using this to mask it, but there's a battle going on. No.
Yes, ma'am. What can I do for you?
I'm going to be making a lasagna.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to need some ground beef. By any chance, if you have any other ground beef that's already left over.
It's all sold. We sell it on a daily basis, fresh all the time.
Okay, and so there's nothing that would expire?
Oh, no,
or
man.
about to expire?
No, man. We don't sell expired product here. No true meat market would ever do that.
Can I see what your beef fat looks like?
Sure, I'll be right back.
All right.
Excuse me a second.
Thank you. Wow, and how much would 2 pounds of the beef fat be?
Let me cut a piece off and we'll get close to 2 pounds as we can, all right?
Okay.
1.97.
And how much is that?
$2.53, ma'am.
I will take the beef fat.
You'll take the beef
I'm
fat.
satisfied with that. I have my ground beef over here. I'm going to stretch out the beef by adding the rest of this, or whatever's left from this, to stretch it out for the lasagna.
What is that?
By supplementing the meat with the beef fat, Stephanie saved 75% on the ingredients for her lasagna.
This is why we save the sauce. Mm-mm.
Oh.
Now to save money,
Oh no, that's
I
not good.
multitask with washing dishes and cooking meals with my dishwasher. I just gotta make sure I wrap it really well or else the food will get wet.
With the dishwasher reaching a temperature of 170 degrees, the lasagna will be fully cooked in 1.5 hours without using the additional gas of an oven.
Smells like put these dishes in here while I cook. The lasagna.
Okay. This is the laugh I needed, apparently. Oh, wow. Well. You can hear the sarcasm in the man's voice that is narrating this. The internal temperature reaches, which is just enough. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. I have to hear the sarcasm. It's voice over. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Woo. That was a good laugh. Okay. Let's hear this man's voice.
Dishwasher reaching a temperature of 170 degrees, the lasagna will be fully cooked in 1.5 hours without using the additional gas of an oven.
Most like put these dishes in here while
Oh.
the lasagna's in the dishwasher and it's cooking.
It's nasty.
Fish, hot dogs, lasagna. I'm telling
Fish,
you, I
hot
do it
dog.
all the time. Hey, girl. Hey, Miss Adrian.
Having people over, I'm not very excited. I don't want to be embarrassed.
You shouldn't have invited them, homie.
All right.
Come on! Hey. This is the second time you did that. I gotta send money for electricity. I'm sorry. I have to turn it off when it's a commercial.
No, we ain't having this.
I'm sorry.
No, we ain't having this. Not having this at all.
Stephanie's very cheap. Cheapest person I've seen in a long time, I'll tell you that much.
Ever.
Excuse me, can I use some
Candle.
I thought the walking around with the candle was really insane. I think we could use some light.
Of course.
Yeah, this whole thing.
It's good, right?
To be cooked in a dishwasher? The lasagna tastes like water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Nasty. I thought it was very embarrassing, very, people were like, what the heck? She's pretty cheap.
I get the utmost satisfaction being the cheapskate that I am. It's for me and my family, not anybody else. I don't care what nobody says. It was the Stephanie way, and the Stephanie way is the better way.
All right, so that was what that was, and that's what it was not. That was interesting. that was extremely cheap. Wow. I even remember seeing like a small clip of it before on Facebook, but even like just rewatching it, it's still like I cannot believe this woman. Like, what? Yeah, there's nothing you can really say. She definitely needs help. Yeah, that's just, I understand saving money, cutting out, but that's just a little excessive. That's ridiculous. For a little $2, $3. Yeah, that relationship, they love each other, but that ain't gonna cut it. That ain't gonna work. It wouldn't work for me. No, not that. Nope.
No. What? Lasagna? No. Just no.
And that's that. So yes, that's all. Thank you guys for watching if you are here. 200 plus subscribers. Y'all are just on a whole different level of craziness. But thanks for sticking with me. I will be, releasing more videos. Just gonna have a little setback with the whole pandemic and all that good stuff. But here we are. That's it. Have a great day.
No going back.